Minute tip: export transparent video in Adobe Premiere. I'm going to use a clip of my dog Chicken Nugget from the sketch Pawtopsy. I've gone ahead and used Ultra Key to remove the green screen background. Now here I'm selecting just that section of the video. Click File, Export, Media. Format will be QuickTime. Video codec will be Apple ProRes 4444, and then the depth will be 16-bit plus alpha. I've exported the final video. Now I'm dragging it into an Adobe Premiere project to show you the final product.